Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to become a Canva creator. So in order to become a Canva creator, you need to apply for it first. So let's go to the new tab and let's type in Canva creator. And here it will lead you to this page, and let's tap in this one. And you can simply tap in this button that is become a creator. And then it will lead you to this page where you have to go to the 3 different options, whether you want to create content that has to do with education, or you want to make a video, or you want to make a template. So let's go with the template. You can choose according to your preference. So let's hit apply. And here all you need to do is type in all this information, like zero URL to your design work, and how did you learn about, let's tap in referral, and how you learn about Canva. You gotta fill all this and simply at last hit the apply button, and hopefully you will get to be one of the creators of Canva. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.